back to Good Morning Boss. At syempre ngayong umaga may makakapanayam tayo mula po sa CEU, mga alumni po sa natin ang kanilang General Assembly. Let us all welcome our very special guest this morning. We have Miss Sally So and LV Zamora. Good morning. Welcome to Good Morning Boss.
Good morning.
So, meron po kayong General Assembly for CEU. Ito po yung CEU Elementary and High School Alumni of Mendiola, Manila. So, siguro tell us something about this event.
Actually, on May 5, we will have our General Assembly. And this will involve all alumni of Centro Escolar. So, especially if you're elementary and high school graduates, you have to be there in order to be a part of our election of board members.
So, ano po yung mga series of activities na mangyayari sa ating General Assembly?
The activity includes the election of 11 board members. There are also plans for induction and fellowship, and there will be other matters. We'll also have a video showing of the recent alumni reunion.
So, ano po yung pinaka-main objective this year's General Assembly?
It is to be able to create the board members of the group. Board members, no? And then from the board members, we will be having our officers and other people who will be active. But initially, we want to request all graduates to be there in order to be a part of our election. We are trying to enjoin them, so the reason why we are here is to invite them to come on May 5 sa Centro Escolar. Actually, those who are interested may contact our alumni chapter.
Okay, so is this open? Actually, wala naman po itong bayad, no? Just for General Assembly para sa lahat po ng mga CEU alumni.
Yes, for them to vote.
Okay, so siguro, would you like to invite our viewers, sana yung mga CEU alumni to...
Actually, Edwira here is the ad interim president. Ad interim siya. So after that, whoever will come out of the election will be the actual officers already.
Okay. Siguro, siguro, would you like to invite your, siguro mga CEU din, mga alumni to attend this General Assembly, which is really important, no, para po sa mga taga-CEU?
The truth is, I was part of this because I used to be their teacher. I used to be a teacher of this group. And then, I am also interested to become a board member. So, I'm requesting my students or maybe some of my classmates.
Na umattend po lahat dito sa
no.
General Assembly.
Right.
So, why is this General Assembly super important?
Because it is supporting the programs and activities of the CEU Alumni Foundation, which is the umbrella organization. And of course, we are also promoting the motto of CEU, which is Ciencia y Virtud.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, siguro naman at this point, siguro would you like to invite our viewers, yung mga, siguro may mga taga-CE yung nanonood po sa atin ngayong umaga na dumalo po dito sa General Assembly po ninyo.
Sige.
Starting
I would like to personally request all my students and my classmates also of alumni of Centro Escolar to be there on May 5 and vote for the election of board members. There will be about 11 of us who will be elected, and at the same time, we would like to request that they be there in order to witness how important this is.
Yes, I'm enjoining all of you, the elementary and high school alumni of Mendiola, to attend the first General Assembly. This chapter that we will create will be the start of reconnecting other alumni all over the world. So this is going to really be a very meaningful assembly, and it will look forward to something really positive.
Alright, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Ulit, inanandiyahan po ang lahat, calling all CEU Elementary and High School Alumni of Mendiola, Manila. There will be a General Assembly on May 5, 2014 at 5:30 po ng hapon at CEU Mendiola. Activity includes election of 11 board members, plans for induction, and other matters. For more information, again, please contact CEU Alumni Relations at 735-9405 or 0917-817-1773. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. That was Ms. Sally So and Ms. Elvira Zamora.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Good luck po sa General Assembly ninyo.